Hello, hello, and welcome to the Daily Job Digest with the Travel with Clem Brands. We are looking at an OpenStack technical support manager position at a company called Canonical. As you can clearly see here, they are highlighting home base worldwide. So our regional technical support manager our regional technical support managers, because they have several, run world-class technical support teams, solving deep technical problems for customers around the world on different servers. They want you to be customer focused as well as have technical excellence, ensuring that the support team is always up to date with the new technology and that they perform sound and quick troubleshooting. For you to succeed in this role, you will need to be comfortable in a fast-paced environment, able to take responsibility for delivering to customers and enjoy challenges. You will also need to care deeply about your team, their skills, and their career development. So they include key responsibilities for this job, which include management of a professional support team, including skills development and operation and performance management, operational control, ensuring that all customer cases are responded to within maybe their timelines and in a professional manner, acting as a customer escalation contact, accountability for customer satisfaction, and so forth. Required skills and experience to succeed in this position include extensive CLI experience. I don't know what CLI means. I think, let's look it up. Okay, command line interpreter experience or command line interface to receive commands from a user in the form of lines of text. So that's somebody who probably has experience in that field, experience with and knowledge of OpenStack, public cloud, and virtualization technologies, leadership experience, confidence under pressure, preferably fluent in 2 languages, English being the primary, and excellent communication skills. They tell you more about the company as well as perks that they offer, including 100% work from home, capacity, learning and development, a competitive salary, recognition awards, annual leaves, and priority pass for travel. That is really, really good. Priority pass for travel, that is excellent. Because right now, as we're traveling, airports are being filled, and you really want to make sure that, when you travel, if you can have a priority pass, which probably includes priority boarding and all these kind of things, then, maybe access to airport lounges, that would be a great perk. So how do you apply for this position? You can apply either using your updated LinkedIn profile or include your first and last name, email address, your location where you are, upload your resume, your cover letter, your academic background information, and answer additional application questions. So once you're done, you simply click on submit application and you're good to go. I want to highlight that these jobs are open for people located all around the world, and basically your competition is made of people from around the world. So you really want to make sure that you are as competitive as possible, and that comes with having upscale cover letters and resumes that are made for online jobs. I have developed an amazing bundle called the Remote Work Starter Pack that can actually help you know how to format your cover letters and resumes so that you boost your chances of standing out from the competition. The link to the Remote Work Starter Pack will be included in the description box of this video. See you in the next video. I hope you found this helpful. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notifications, and see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.